Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search for jobs on LinkedIn. So basically, a lot of companies are posting jobs on LinkedIn, and that has attracted many people toward LinkedIn, like all the people searching for job, and thus it has created a loop where more companies are posting their jobs on LinkedIn, and yeah, now it's like the best place to find jobs remotely, or if you want to go to some office and work there and stuff, studios. Yeah, so basically what you need to do is to search jobs on LinkedIn. Is basically, this is the home page, right? This is the feed, not the home. This is the feed of the home feed of LinkedIn. To search for job, what you need to do is you need to go here on the top, and you'll see the job here. Click on this, and after that this window will pop up. Now it'll recommend you some jobs and hiring in your network, whatever is happening around your network, right? So now what you need to do is you need to search here customly. You can search for a job, or you can go through these. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here and go and search. Let's say I've recently searched for graphic designer, so I'm going to click on that, and then this feed is basically going to open up. Now on the top you'll see this. It's basically kind of a filter. When you search for a product, similarly when you search for a job, it's a filter. You can just check if you are new, or you're gonna go with something like this, you know. And then company, what kind of company do you want? And yeah, job type, it's going to be contract based, part-time, full-time, all these stuff, right? You can go through these and just basically you know, uncheck or check these and see what jobs is available in the field that you are working in. So now what you're going to do is you can just click on any job. So let's say here it is. So after that, what you need to do is you need to come here and click on apply. It'll take you to the company's website, and from there you can continue on filling up the form and everything to apply on that job. Yeah, that depends on the company. For some it might take you to their official website, and for some it might just be like some Google form or just a blog post. Yeah, but there's another thing. It's like this one. When you click here, there's called Easy Apply. So Easy Apply is basically like it fills in all the details that you have filled in your LinkedIn account, and it just submits it there. But yeah, I'll suggest that you write the resume by yourself on your own. Don't just rely on Easy Apply, because there are things that you know, varies from the description of the job that you want to add that isn't added in your profile, right? So yeah, so that's how you apply for jobs on your LinkedIn account. So this is pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.